Superforms everywhere. Now with the new update of Superforms, you can have custom Superforms for your tables and also apps. So what we did basically was bring a specific Superform for each part of your system. This helps you to, instead of importing a Superform from another app page, now you can just go there and go to the standard form for that specific block. Of course, if you still can do this importation or bringing Superforms from other places for your app. However, in this update, it's much easier. You can do this with one click. And now you also have a special Superform for your chat. So this is really cool because chat is one of the parts that people use a lot. And it's important to also customize the way that you are going to edit or read data there. So let's show you how it works. If you go to the table, here I'm inside an app, but this is a table. And you activate your builder mode. And you go here to edit table and form, you'll see that now it's available to do this. So instead of, let's just show, instead of this one, which is the old version, which we call Superform, you can allow this to have a Superform that's specific for this table. So let's go and let's do this. If I save here, now it already has a Superform. So as you can see here, it has created with all the fields that I have and has added all the tools here. But if I want, I can just change how it behaves. So let's go here and go to our update form. You can select how you want to see this on your table. And if you want to customize your form, you go here. So let's say that I don't need that much information for my Superform. Maybe I want to add a block here. So an inline goes here for my buttons. And instead of having a darker background, I just want something that's, I don't know, light blue, even lighter, just as an example. And I want this as super wide, so I'll give you save. Now this is the standard form for my table. So if I go here and I update, and I want to update my information, I just have a Superform now for this. It's important to say that for creating a new record, in this case, it will be a different form. So if I go here on my table configurations, I can also customize the creation form. It's the same process. And you can select the variables that you want there, the conditionals. So this is really important. Before, the conditionals for the table were in a different place, and now the conditionals are inside the form. So if you want to do a conditional for a stage, or for status, or for anything, it's inside the form, okay? Also, you can access these configurations from here. So edit conditionals or edit the Superform. Just going here, it will open this configuration on your left, on the right side as well. And one that's really cool as well is the chat update form. Before, the only thing that you had was just the standard form for your chat. But let's go here and let's change it a little bit just to show you guys how it works. I will change the background to this color. No, instead of the background, let's go to with a transparent background, but the title to be this color, just to show you guys that we actually have a different one for the form itself, the chat itself. So let's go here. I will also let me see, I forgot to save it here. No, transparent and title. So it's important to save it before you leave. And it will open on the right panel, but I can change this, but that's okay for now. Let's save. And where can you find this different form? So The chat happens when I go here, for example. I will just do this to find this record there. I will go here. And let's refresh this page here. As you can see, now if I click here, I have a custom form for this specific record. So if I want to check information about this ticket here, I can just open here and have more information about my ticket. Also, I have all the tools here for my form as well. And I can customize this, so I can go there and just change how it works. One way to do this is doing like this. So it's much faster, much easier to just customize your different forms that you have on your company or on your process. So another thing that's really important is that inside each block, so a smart Kanban, maybe a Gantt, or a table in an app, I now don't need to import this Superform from a place. I can just go here and I can use this option instead of default from table, which is the one that we were doing before. I can do a block form. So when I do a block form, I can just go here and customize it. Maybe I want more than priority. I want priority and assignees maybe, and I will just change here the color just to show you guys how it will be there. So that's okay, this color. Let's save. I change the decoration form, so this is the decoration that we just customized, and we can do the same for the update form. So if I go here and I have the update form, for now it's the old one. So if I go here, let's show you, is the old version, so the simple form. But I can go here and change to a custom Superform. I can still import from other app pages as we did before, but I will do the block form just because it's more convenient. Let's add name, created ad, updated ad, and I will add here an inline for these three. The update record of it's activated because you need to. It's an update form here in this case, and I will change the title for a light green. I will not hide the title, but I will use the record label as a title, and that's it. Let's see. So now I have a new Superform specific for this block. I can add conditionals here. I can edit this Superform. I can still use the tools that we had before, but now the cool thing is you have Superforms everywhere, and these Superforms are dedicated for specific blocks. So if you have a button here on an app, if you have a table, if you have a Gantt, it will all allow you to also add a customized Superform for your process. This is really important that you spend a little bit of time customizing the Superform, because this will help you and will pay dividends for your process, avoiding mistakes or even making it easier for people to just add information for your company. So same here, block form, same process as before. So that's all for Superforms part 3 v6. So we have a bunch of upgrades for Superforms from the last few days. If you don't know the part 1 and 2, we already have a video on there. So go there and check it out. This is the third part and the last part of v6 for Superforms. So we will be expecting your feedback, and we hope that you like all these updates and make it easier for all of you to build with Jestor. Thank you.